Hi, lions. So today I'm going on a nature walk, and I know that we were drawing what we saw outside. So I see a tree. T for tree. Tree. And this is the trunk. T for trunk. Trunk. T for trunk. I see clouds. K for clouds. C for clouds. I see a house. H for house. I also see grass. Grass. G for grass. I see cars. Cars. C for cars. What can you find outside? I hope to see all your pictures tomorrow during circle time. I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.